In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create calendars, remove calendars, and edit calendars in Google Calendars. You'll look at different calendar views, add and remove, and create these calendars, which will help you more efficiently use Google Calendars without messing or adding events in the incorrect calendar, which is helpful because Google Calendars is a powerful tool for organizing assignments, meetings, and other events if you know how to use it. So here we are in Google Calendars, and as you can see, there are no events that I can view, and this is because none of my calendars are selected. So all I have to do to select a calendar is click in the box on my calendars. And when we do this, anything that is in these calendars will be included on here. So for instance, here's a group question from a teacher forum, and here is an event that I made with no title. Okay, and so if we want to add other calendars such as AL All-Star Baseball events, Christian holidays, holidays in the United States, then we select that. So now I've added holidays in the US. And if we want to create a new calendar, all you do is go to Add Calendar and then choose who is the author. So I have the author, and then New Calendar. Example calendar 1. So let's create that calendar. And now that calendar is created, and it will be showing up in my calendars when I go back here. Example calendar 1 is the one I just created. So now let's hide some of these. How do we hide these so we don't see all of them? Go to Hide from List. Now if you want to get that calendar back, all you do is go to here and then go Settings and Sharing. And so now we can scroll down and look at these and select which ones we want to view, and we want to view this one now, so we'll add it back. If you ever don't want to see a certain calendar, then just deselect it. And now when we go back, we'll only have the calendars that we want to see. And we can select these calendars to go back in here. Now if you want to change the view, then all we do is go up here. We can change it to a day view, so we see the hours throughout the day, week view, month view, or year view. The only thing about the year view is that you're not going to actually see the events that are included on the calendar. Now if you want to jump back to today, press today when you're in the month view. For instance, we'll go to May, now press today, and it jumps us back to February because that is where we are right now. And then up here it shows you where we are in the calendar. If you ever want to remove or unsubscribe from one of these calendars, all you do is press this, unsubscribe. So I don't actually want to unsubscribe from that, so I'm not going to press it, but it's pretty simple. All you do is unsubscribe, but once you do that, it's gone forever, unless someone adds you back to it. So keep that in mind. If you want to edit a calendar ever, go to Settings, up in the top right corner, and then you can edit or go to the Add the Calendar, Browse Resources, New Calendar, Browse Calendars of Interest. On Browse Calendars of Interest, you can add the holidays that you want, for instance, or different events that you want. For instance, I have selected Christian, Jewish, Muslim holidays, so I can deselect the things that I want, or add the things that I want too, like regional holidays. And I have selected holidays in the United States, which is right here. Now you can also choose things like sporting events. So you go here, Major League Baseball, and I had selected All-Stars. You can choose any of the teams you want that are included on the Google Calendar. So these are all ways that you can organize, add different calendars, or remove calendars on Google Calendar.